लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે એકોમોડેશન પરક્વિઝિટ્સ એના બે એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ એકોમોડેશન, એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 24 of your book. Sri Hareshbhai is working as a manager of a private company. The details regarding the previous year ending on 31st March 2020 are as under. Basic salary is rupees 20,000 per month. Basic is 20,000 per month. Dearness allowance 40% of basic salary, out of which 33 1/3% allowance is considered for retirement benefit. This is very important for us. Bonus 1 month basic salary, 1% commission on sales 65,400, education and hostel allowance per month for 3 children. 1 child is studying in a hostel. This is important for us, rupees 3,000. Next, this is per month. 6 conveyance allowance, only 25% spent, so 75% is saving. Saving is taxable, rupees 1,000. Medical allowance per month 800. He is provided a free unfurnished. The house is unfurnished. House owned by company. This house is owned by company. The fair rent value of house is 6,000 per month. Compute the taxable value of residential accommodation for assessment year 2021 under the following circumstances. First, if the house is in Mehsana, population 4 lakhs. Next, if the house in Vadodara, population 15 lakhs. If the house is in Ahmedabad, population 40 lakhs. If house is not owned by employer and company has to pay a rental value 4,000 per month. If house is not owned by company, the company has to pay a monthly rent of rupees 7,000. Now first of all we have to find out BABC. So find BABC. First of all, basic salary. Basic salary is 20,000 per month. So 20,000 multiplied by 12, 2,40,000. Allowances, dearness allowance, DA is 40% of basic salary, so 2,40,000 and 40%, but out of which 33 1/3% is retirement benefit. So BABC માં ખાલી retirement benefit વાળું જ DA કન્સિડર થશે. 2,40,000 એના 40%, 96,000 એના 33.33%. That is 79,992, that is 80,000. રાઉન્ડ માં લઈ લઈએ આપણે 80,000 DA. then after allowances આપણે નીચે આપેલા છે, બોનસ પછી allowances આપેલું છે, education and hostel allowance. actual education allowance આપેલું છે 3,000 per month. This is both education and hostel, both 3,000 per month for 3 children. Now first of all, education allowance કેટલું બાદ મળવા પાત્ર છે? તો કે rupees 100 per month per child up to 2 child. એટલે કે મેક્સિમમ 2 છોકરાનું જ બાદ મળશે, એકનું 100 તો 2નું 200. માઇનસ હોસ્ટેલ અલાઉન્સ. હોસ્ટેલ અલાઉન્સની અંદર આપણે એવું કીધું છે એનો એક જ છોકરો હોસ્ટેલમાં રહે છે, તો એક છોકરો હોસ્ટેલમાં રહે તો એનું જ બાદ મળવા પાત્ર છે rupees 300 પર, એને મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય 12. So 3,000 minus 200 minus 300, 2,500 multiplied by 12, that is 30,000. 30,000 is taxable. Next, education પછી conveyance allowance. conveyance allowance, he spent only 20%, so saving is 75%. Total allowance is 1000 multiplied by saving part 75%, 1000 na 75% multiplied by 12, 750 multiplied by 12, 9000. Next, medical allowance fully taxable. Medical allowance is 800 per month. So 800 multiplied by 12, 9600. So allowances no part complete થઈ છે. Next, B means bonus. Bonus is 1 month basic salary. So 1 month basic salary is 20,000. Next, C means commission. Commission is 1% commission on sale, 64,500. So commission is 64,500, 65,400, 65400. Now total of this is BABC 2,40,000, 80,000, 30,000, 9,000, 9,600, 20,000, 65,400. That is 4,54,000. This is BABC. 4,54,000. BABC. Now first circumstances. House is in Mehsana. Population of Mehsana is 4 lakhs. So population is less than 10 lakhs. Taxable value of rent-free accommodation unfurnished. Population is less than 10 lakhs, so 7.5% of BABC. BABC 5,54,000 and a 7.5%. Two lakh 40,000, 2,40,000 and a 40% multiplied by a 33.33%. So here dearness allowance is 2,40,000 multiplied by 40%, 96,000 and a 33.33%. That is 32,000. Here this is 32,000. 2,40,000 plus 32,000 plus 9,000 plus 30,000, 9,600, 20,000, 65,400. That is 4,06,000. 4,06,000 is our BABC. So BABC 4,06,000 in a 7.5%. 30,450. This is your first answer, 30,450. Now second answer, answer number 2. If house is in Vadodara, population 15 lakhs. So population is between 10 to 25 lakhs. Taxable value of unfurnished, population is between 10 to 25 lakhs, so 10% of BABC. BABC 4,06,000 and a 10% 40600. This is your second answer. Now third, if house is in Ahmedabad, taxable value of unfurnished, house is situated in Ahmedabad, population more than 25 lakhs, that is 40 lakhs, so 15% of BABC 4,06,000 and a 15% 60,900. This is your third answer. Next, fourth, if house is not owned by employer, and paid rent rupees 4,000. So house is not owned by employer, minimum of following is taxable. Rent paid, that is 4,000. Rent paid, that is 4,000 per month multiplied by 12. So rent paid by employer is 48,000. Second one, 15% of BABC. 15% of BABC we already have 4,06,000 and now 15%. So 60900. Minimum of following is taxable, so taxable value is 60900. This is your fourth answer. Fifth, if house is not owned by employer, paid rent rupees 7,000 per month. Minimum of following is taxable. First, rent paid 7,000 multiplied by 12, that is 84,000. Second, 15% of BABC, that is 60900. Out of these two, minimum is taxable, so taxable is here 48,000, not 60900. Minimum is taxable. So answer number 4 is 48,000 and answer number 5 is 60900. This is your all 5 answer. Next, last of accommodation, example number 5, that is 35A of your book. Example number 35A. Sri Ranjit is employed in limited company at Delhi. The following are the particular of his salary for financial year 2019-20. Basic salary 15,000 per month. Dearness allowance 5,000 per month. Bonus 12,000. Entertainment allowance 8,000 per month. રેન્ટલ એકોમોડેશન ફોર વિચ કંપની ચાર્જ 1000 પર મંથ, એટલે કે એમ્પ્લોયર પાસેથી 1000 ટોકન રેન્ટ લેવામાં આવે છે. ઓરિજિનલ કોસ્ટ ઓફ ફર્નિચર 1,69,000. રેન્ટ પેએબલ બાય કંપની ફોર સેડ હાઉસ, સો હાઉસ ઇઝ નોટ ઓન બાય એમ્પ્લોયર 9,000. Determine the residential accommodation for the purpose of inclusion in salary income of assessment year 2021. So first of all we have to find out BABC. Find BABC. Basic salary is 15,000 per month. 15,000 multiplied by 12, 1,80,000 plus allowances, that is taxable allowances. Here DA is not part of retirement benefit. It is not given that DA retirement benefit ma consider thase, so DA is not considered for the purpose of this part. Next, entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance is 8,000 per month. He is private employee, so entertainment allowance ena mate exempted thase nahi, totally taxable. 8,000 per month multiplied by 12, that is 96,000. Next, બીજા કોઈ allowances નથી આપેલા. બોનસ, બોનસ 12,000. નેક્સ્ટ કમિશન, કમિશન વિશે કોઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન પણ નથી આપેલી. નીલ. per month basic salary, per month bonus, entertainment allowance per year, it is per year. EA is 8,000 per annum, so 8,000 per annum, this is 8,000. Now total of this is BABC 1,80,000 plus 8,000 plus 12,000, that is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is BABC. Now house is not owned by employer, it is on rent, so city ni population consider thase nahi. Here house is not owned by employer. Taxable value of accommodation is as under. First of all, unfurnished house, minimum of following is taxable. First, rent paid. Rent paid by company for said house is 9,000 per month. So 9,000 multiplied by 12, 1,08,000. Second, 15% of BABC. BABC is 2 lakhs and now 15%, that is 30,000. So taxable value of unfurnished is 30,000 plus 10% of furniture value. Furniture is provided by company and value of furniture is 1,69,000 and a 10%. that is 16900. So total of this 16900, that is 46900 minus recovery from employee, it is given that rupees 1000 per month is deducted from employee's salary, so 12,000 minus thase, 46,900 minus 12,000, 34,900, 34,900. This is taxable perk. This is your answer. So here our accommodation facility is completed. In next session we will start our other perk. Thank you.